Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar buckles under pressure once again after the last 24 hours of upside tests, rejects the high of 77.57 and now looks back towards a key support level, which is the sixth time now challenging at 76.85. The longer we maintain towards this region concerns the fact that we could see a further bearish outcome and look down towards the region of 75 cents. Any advances on the day? I'm still a seller above 77.45. Well, it would seem that if you've been trading the euro over the last few days, the market continues to fall above 124. That it was seen overnight that the US dollar did rebound in front of that 88 crucial level, and now from the euro backing away from a 5-week high of 124.61 now gives further concern that the bearish case may be back on track and looking down towards the initial support of 123.65 and down towards 122.70.95. Any advances on the day still sees resistance around 124.60.70. Well, dollar yen has been considerably boring in pretty much straight words. Is the fact that we've consolidated now for the last few days and also shown hardly any movement over the last at least 5 to 10 trading days. Nevertheless, I'm still a buyer in front of that 103.55 level, and I am looking up towards 105.65 to 106.25 as a potential target. Now, immediate support on the day is seen at 104.95. Well, the pound, very interestingly, backs away from the 142.5 level after the UK Bank of England posted its minutes. Now, the Financial Policy Committee, which is also known as the FPC, which looks at the financial stability in the UK, took note of the likelihood of a rate hike during this year. In the minutes, policymakers stated that the most households could afford their mortgages around 0.5 or 0.5%, although would likely have trouble if rates did rise around 2%. From the rejection of the 142, I'm now looking for a pullback to 131.30. Now, because we've broken that level overnight, we could see further risk towards downside and coming a target at 140.25. The resistance seen around 142.15 to 142.5. Well, it would seem that the gold price action overnight posts the bearish outside range day, and from that, market is looking down towards 1,340. If we get a break of that level, then it reinstates the downside and look back towards 1,300 as initial target. Resistance on the day at 47. And wrapping up with oil, well, the market did clearly reject that level of $66 a barrel, and now on track to challenge the level of 64.5. That was the low last night, and if we get a break beneath there, we could see further risk to the downside. So I'm still bearish, and I'm still holding to at least 62.5 as the target. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me.